created by MyGuide. Let's master vLookUp function in Excel in 3 simple steps. Every kid knows vLookUp, let's learn it now. We want to know a value for an ID, we can do vLookUp. For example, who is sales rep for order 41,696? The answer can come from vLookUp. First ask the question and add a value that we want to look for. Now in the answer section type formula for vLookUp. First choose value to look up for, then choose data where to look for, finally choose index. Here B19 is the value that we want to look for. A2 to C13 is the table in which we want to find value. And index is third coulmn in the table, just enter you will get value. Thank you from MyGuide. Create free videos with MyGuide, just Google MyGuide.